To convert from base 5 to base 10, we would multiply by powers of 5, starting from the far right with 5 to the 0, or 1, in the rightmost digit, and then work our way to the left-hand side to get whatever the power is there. Multiply, then add everything together to get your sum. So for example, 1, 2, 3 base 5, well, you'd have your values. The far right is the 5 to the 0s, or 1's place. The next one over is 5 to the first, which is 5. And the far left, that's 5 squared, which is 25. So you multiply each column. So the 1 is being multiplied by 25 to get 25. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. And 25 plus 10 plus 3 is 38. For another example, 3214 base 5. Well, the 4 there, the far right, is 5 to the 0. And then you have 1, 2, 3 places there. So we end up with 3 times 5 to the third, plus 2 times 5 squared, plus 1 times 5 to the first, plus 4 times 5 to the 0. Evaluate your exponents. So we end up with 3 times 125, plus 2 times 25, plus 1 times 5, plus 4 times 1. Multiply next. So 375 plus 50 plus 5 plus 4. And we end up with 434. And what that means is that 3214 base 5 in our base 10 system we love and cherish is 434. So let's try a couple examples. 213 base 5, well, we have a 2, a 1, and a 3. The 3 is in the 5 to the 0 place, so that's 1. The 1 is in the 5 to the first place, so that's 5. And then 2 is in the 5 squared place, or 25. And now 2 times 25 is 50. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 50 plus 5 plus 3 is 58. For a couple other examples, 413 base 5, I would put the 4, the 1, and the 3. And again, we have 5 to the 0, which is 1. 5 to the first, which is 5. 5 squared, which is 25. And we multiply each column. So 4 times 25 is 100, plus 1 times 5, plus 3 times 1. That comes together to be 108. And for part B, 2005 base 5, 2004 base 5 is 2004. And then we have 5 to the 0, which is 1. 5 to the first, which is 5. 5 squared is 25. And 5 to the third is 125. So 2 times 125 is 250, plus 0, plus 0, plus 4 times 1. And so we would end up with 254.